The GoWISE USA G44800-O air fryer offers a generous 12.7 quarts of cooking space, making it ideal for family meals while still fitting comfortably on your countertop. With its built-in rotisserie function, this air fryer allows you to create deliciously crispy and tender meats, such as whole chickens or roasts, with ease. Equipped with 10 versatile accessories, the air fryer provides all the tools you need to prepare a variety of meals, from skewers to perfectly roasted vegetables. The user-friendly control display with 15 presets simplifies cooking, taking the guesswork out of setting times and temperatures for a wide range of dishes. Maintaining this appliance is hassle-free, thanks to its easy-to-clean stainless steel interior and removable non-stick drip pan. Included with your purchase is a recipe book featuring 50 step-by-step recipes, helping you explore the full potential of this versatile kitchen gadget.